going on? I need your help right away. Speak up! What happened? I don't know what to do. Don't be afraid. I'll help you. Have to finish the job. It's already a problem. I can do it. What is this? Magic! Oh yeah, I like it. Have to finish the job. You shouldn't touch other people's things. I know who did it!